Welcome to CEMEX's series on concrete construction. Today we're going to talk about roller compacted concrete, or RCC for short. This is a common construction seen for nearly any street in any city. But take a closer look. It's RCC, not asphalt. It's a new way to construct local streets and roads. Joining us is Corey Zollinger, a pavement engineer with CEMEX, to tell us the advantages of RCC over other paving systems and how CEMEX can help you on your next project. And Andy Johnson of the South Carolina Department of Transportation is here to tell us about how RCC has been a success in his state.
RCC is the perfect choice for local streets and roads. It has the strength and durability of concrete and is faster to install than asphalt. The cost to install and operate an RCC pavement is lower than asphalt, while the ride quality is equally as smooth.
We were pleasantly surprised that the cost really has been comparable to other alternative pavements that we would look at for similar situations where we placed it.
RCC got its start in the 70s, when the Canadian timber industry switched to environmentally cleaner log sorting methods. They needed an economical pavement that would stand up to massive loads. Once the cost benefits and ease of placement became apparent, RCC's use was expanded to applications such as dams, parking areas, distribution areas, highway shoulders, and industrial pavements. Today, innovations in mix design, equipment, and grinding technology have allowed RCC to be used as a viable alternative for local streets and roads.
Since we built the first demo project back in 2003, the experience with it's been very good. We've been able to build in very busy industrial urban areas with a lot of traffic and keep the traffic flowing while the construction continued.
RCC's installed costs are competitive with asphalt for a comparable design. Its life cycle cost, however, is 30% lower than asphalt pavements. That is the cost of installing and maintaining the road over a 50-year period. Additionally, RCC can be built much faster than other pavement types, as Andy Johnson explains.
On Richland Avenue in Aiken, South Carolina, the project consisted of coming in and removing 10 inches of existing pavement and immediately behind that operation placing it with 10 inches of roller compacted concrete in one lift. The project was 4 lanes wide and a mile long, and including diamond grinding the surface, we completed the entire project in 15 days. And we ended up with a ride that is really comparable to what we get on new interstate pavement, despite having to match an existing curb and gutter.
This is still faster than the placement time of 33 days had this been an asphalt road. The basic ingredients of RCC are the same as for conventional concrete: sand, aggregates, cement, and water. Mix designs may vary based on the job application. Mixing is done on or near the work site and is delivered in dump trucks. RCC is placed much drier than conventional concrete, which results in higher compressive and flexural strengths. It is placed with asphalt pavers and then compacted with rollers. It needs no forms or reinforcing steel. Placement is straightforward. Mix it, place it, compact it, and cure it. Density is critical. Most jobs require 98% density. The paver compacts the material to an initial density of 88 to 94%. Static and vibratory rollers achieve final compaction. Throughout construction, quality control tests assure strength and durability. As with all concrete paving, the last step is curing. It ensures proper strength gain and durability. Like conventional concrete, saw cutting joints on RCC will enhance performance and aesthetics. RCC has a similar appearance and texture as asphalt, only light gray instead of black. The surface texture depends on aggregate gradation and rolling patterns. RCC pavements are ideal for local roads, since it provides the texture for stopping while providing a smooth ride. The surface may also be diamond ground to make a quiet pavement while achieving smoothness equal to interstate highways.
You do diamond grinding to improve the ride to the point that we really get a ride that's comparable to any kind of new pavement we build, and the projects we've seen have been as good as interstate grade pavement in many cases. And then the other reason we do it is, of course, also to provide texture on the surface for improving the frictional characteristics and making sure we have an aesthetically pleasing surface that will last into the future.
Not only is RCC the optimum choice for pavements, but it also supports sustainable development. RCC pavements provide higher solar reflectivity, which helps mitigate the urban heat island effect and reduces lighting requirements for pavements.
I think the future of RCC pavement in South Carolina is extremely bright. We built over 10 projects now, and every place we've taken it, it has been well received. Nobody's come back to me and said, don't build any more RCC in my area. They're all asking me to come back with more. We have a pool of experienced contractors with the equipment necessary to do the work at competitive prices.
The end result? A paved surface that is durable, economical, environmentally friendly, and ready to use in days. For more information on this and other CEMEX products and services, call us at 1-855-CX-BUILD or email us at cemex.solutions@cemex.com.